Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create typography blur effect poster design in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions and the background color is black. Go to the Type tool and type your text. Select text to change its font. Here I am using the Poppins Extra Bold font. And apply the white color to it. Adjust its spacing. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Open the Layer panel, right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click on it, and choose Perspective. Go to the Layer menu, New then Layer via Copy or press Ctrl+J. Select the bottom layer, G to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, and then Path Blur. Follow my blur settings. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copies. Make 5 copies. Hold the Shift key, and select the 5 copies. Then right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. To hide this extra lines, add a layer mask to it. Then make a selection of it. Foreground color must be black, and press Alt plus Backspace. Press Ctrl+D to deselect it. Select the top layer, and open Blending Options. Add a gradient overlay to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select the bottom layer, and create a solid color adjustment layer. Add a red color to it. And change its blending mode to Color Burn. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded. Select your image, and place. Then adjust its size, and place it at the top. I want to change the car color, so I am going to adjust its hue. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Follow my other text settings. Select the color fill layer. Create a solid color adjustment layer, add a light gray color to it. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu, and then Filter Gallery. Add grain texture to it with these settings. And hit OK. And change its blending mode to Color Burn. And decrease its opacity. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.